To download Drova for Sakin Kin on a PC or laptop. Start by downloading Steam, an app that allows you to buy, download, install, and play games. Begin by going to Google and searching for Steam. Then click on the official link. On the Steam website, click the Install Steam button, typically located at the top middle of the screen. Select your platform, such as Windows, and click Install Steam again. The Steam setup will download, and once it's done, click on it to open the setup. Follow the installation prompts. Click Next. Select your language, and choose the destination folder for the installation. After installing Steam, open the app and either log in to an existing account or create a new one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the Steam store by clicking the Store tab at the top left of the screen. In the search box, type in Drova and select the game from the search results. On the Games page, click Add to Cart and then View Cart. Choose to purchase the game for your own account and proceed to payment, selecting your preferred payment method from the drop-down menu. After completing the purchase, the game will be added to your Steam library. To access it, click on the Library tab at the top left. Then find the game in your list of games and click on it. Press the Install button. Select any desired installation options such as creating a desktop shortcut, and choose the drive where you want to install the game. The game will then download and install automatically. Once the installation is complete, you'll receive a notification from Steam, and the Install button will be replaced with a Play button. Click the Play button to launch the game and start playing.